Sai Ram children, hope you all are fine and in your good health. Right. Now, which festival is coming, dear? Yes, Diwali is coming. So, we all are geared up for Diwali. Now, in my last video, I had taught you how to make Rangoli. Yes, I hope you must have seen that video, and I think and I again hope you all will make that Rangoli on Diwali. Right. If you do it, please share some photographs so that I can see it and I'll feel good about it. Yes. Now today I am taking craft with you, and we are going to make candle. What are we going to make? Candle. Yes, it is called lantern also. Yes, you can see a picture. I have already shown it, and we are going to make it. Now I have made a small sample of it here. This type of candle we are going to make. Right, beautiful. Yes, and I've used all waste materials. I have not brought anything from the market, and I have used it. And inside, to keep the diya, I have used a plastic Sprite bottle. You can use a sauce bottle or a juice bottle also. And with the upper portion of the diya of the bottle, I have made a small little diya. See, I have used the upper portion of the bottle. Yes. So try to make these things and they will look beautiful. Here are some more. Yes. I wish you, all of you, a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. I'm going to show you some more. Yes, canters. Yes, these are different designs of canters. If you want, you can make it. You can draw them. If you want to make with craft, you can try it. I'm just showing you. Yes, this is one more. This is also beautiful. This is another type of canter. And here again. Yes, with this, children, after this I am going to show you the video how you are going to make what? Canter, something like this. Right. So children, I have told you already what we are going to make today. Candle. See, I have already prepared one, a smaller one. You will get an idea what we are going to do. As Diwali is coming, we can make this. These will be really beautiful. And since you will be making, you will be very happy about it. Now, you must have made this type of candle before also. But this is little bit different, as I have used mainly waste material, and I have used a plastic bottle inside so that you can place a diya and that will be lighted and that will look very beautiful. Right. So, should I start how to make? Yes. Now, first of all, we are going to use a bottle. What are we going to use? Bottle. Yes. And you have to cut it the way teacher has cut it. I have used a Sprite bottle, but you can use bottles like some juice bottles. Anything waste, you can use it. There are these cheese bottles, masala bottles, anything, but try to take a plastic one because that will be okay. Right. So now I have done this. Now after this, we pick up a paper. You can take a drawing sheet and I have used a old drawing sheet, and I'm using the back portion of it, and we are going to color. Now I have already colored it. I have already colored it. Yes, see, I have already done it. Yes, I have used these colors and I have used it. Clear? So now our colored paper is ready. We are going to make after this. So just fold this paper. Just fold this paper. Yes, see, I have folded the paper here. Now pick up scissor and start cutting it. Start cutting it. Don't cut it till the end. Leave this portion and then start cutting it with the same length and same breadth. Right. If you can't cut it, you can take help of your parents and do it, because scissors are sharp, that can hurt you. If you want, you can use old cards also. I will show you. In the small, this candle, I have used a small greeting wedding card. Right. Now here. Now you can see I have cut it. Like one more, I will show you. I have cut it like this. Yes. Yes. For the paper, I was telling you, you can use paper like this also. This is an old wedding card. Yes. Now your cutting is done. So now the first thing we will do, we will pick up this bottle and we are going to place it on this and we are going to stick it. Now instead of sticking, you can staple it, because that will be better and that will give a good effect and it will remain for a longer time. Here, see, I have stapled it. Right. You can see I have stapled it. Yes. And now pick up one more strip like this, which will make the handle so that you can hang it wherever you feel like. Yeah. Once I've stapled here and second staple here. Yes. Now, is it looking nice? Yes, but still it is not complete. It is not complete. Now, after this, to make it more beautiful, we are going to stick this gift paper now. We are going to stick this gift paper now. You can use any gift paper. If you don't have gift paper, any old paper you can use. You can use crepe paper, you can use kite paper, anything which is at home. Children, I had told you before also, try to use things which are kept at home. Now we will just put Fevicol here and we are going to stick the we are going to stick this gift paper, which I have already cut it like this. You also cut it and start putting it here. You can see I am putting it like this. Right. Yes. Now see, you can see the difference. Step by step, it is becoming beautiful. It is becoming beautiful. Yes. Now still we can do some more things to make it more beautiful, So if you have some lace at home, some gota, something like this, or some ribbon, you can just put it. You cut the same size and you can stick that also. First you stick it up like this. Here you can see I have just stuck this. Now I will stick one more down also. We are doing this to make more beautiful, isn't it, children? Yes. Now see, I've put one strip of gota here also. Now both the sides the gota has been put. You can change the combinations, you can do anything that is upon you, right? So now our kantil is there, but still if you want we can make more attractive, right? We can make more attractive. Now how are we going to do that? See, if you have some stickers at home, you can use these, or if not, I had some sequins with me. So that I am going to stick it here. One by one, I am going to stick it. Here, see, I've put this, I've put this, I've put this. Now one by one, you go on decorating it, right? You can put this also up also, and you can put down also. So after this, now after doing the decoration, our kantil is ready, but still it is not complete. Why? Yes, now the main part is there was a diya, last year's artificial diya with me. If you don't have, you can just buy it, and we place this inside the kantil. We place it inside the kantil. Now see, isn't it looking beautiful, children? Yes. So now our kantil is ready. So I'm keeping this kantil here, and this is the small one which I had prepared. Now you had seen I had cut the upper portion also. So can we utilize this also? Yes. See, more creativity. Now I have taken the small one which I've used in the smaller one. Now this is the upper portion of that. Now I have just decorated this with petals. I've just cut petals from this. Any paper, whichever paper you feel like, and you go on sticking like this. Right? All throughout, you just go on sticking, and after this again on this, again if you want, you can place some sequins. You can place some sequins on these also. Yeah. See here, it's looking nice. Now with this also, we are going to give it a very nice effect. How? Again, take a small diya and just place it on this. Now This is also ready. So all our things are ready. Right. So did you like it, children? I hope you are going to make it, and please, if you have made it, please share some photographs so that I will feel good about it. Once again, happy Diwali, enjoy and be safe. Sai Ram.